top.
I know. Sing your campfire song.
You said this wouldn't be fun.
Huh?
You said this wouldn't be fun.
This is hilarious. I mean,
Like
it's a riot.
It's like a ball of excitement.
You're wrong.
Being popped up to even more excitement.
It's fun in a little container with the
As
aluminum
much
foil
fun
on
to
top.
make as it is to eat.
That's what it says on the package.
We can't sing it faster.
Oh, look at this! Look at this!
When are you supposed to take it off? Read the package, Vanessa. You're in charge of package. You're in charge of instruction. What does it say?
It's spraying!
Immediately remove pan from burner with popping sound, almost stopped. Popcorn will storage if left on heated burner.
The popping sound hasn't stopped yet, Bernie. You told me to.
Take it off!
You hear it?
Yeah, but it said almost. Stop.
It's not almost. You hear it? It's like...
But we don't want scorched popcorn.
Let's get it on my YouTube. Called it.
It's smelling kind of burnt. Maybe not.
It's magic. It's done now.
Don't put it back on.
I do what I want.
Dippy Bop.
As much fun to make it as it is to eat. Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. Now we use a fork to open it, which that's gonna be fun too.